Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I just managed to install the quarter windows. I had lost the tracks that comes under the glass, and I ordered those from the Classic Industries, and they were a perfect match. And now these side windows work like they should be, so they open and close, and I'm quite happy with the installation so far. And gonna show you briefly. It's just so dark, I should get my headlamp, but they work rather nice. I lubricated all the tracks, roller tracks in here, and also the one that goes straight here, and I think they seat quite nicely. Also have the package tray installed, and the headliner. That was a real pain in the ass because I had lost two bows. I had to make those myself, and it took a little bit time, but I think it's rather nice. There's a little wrinkle in there, but the sun visor is coming there, so it tightens that corner quite much. That corner, I think it's already too tight. I'm hoping that when I put the sun visor on, it won't break the headliner. So also dash is installed and everything working except the fuel gauge. I have little problems with that, wrong kind of gauge, so the ohm ratings are messed up, and when the tank is empty it shows it's full. So that's, god damn, these are hard to close. New gaskets, not seated yet. The other one goes close really nice because it has been closed about few weeks, so I don't have to slam that anymore. But that's about it for today. I came from night shift to today morning at 6 o'clock, so I'm not gonna do any more work today. And as you can see, whole lot of dust. Car needs cleaning already. I'm not sure did I mentioned you that I made my own emblem in the front. This one is taken from the dash, and this is stainless steel insert in the middle, and I wanted to make some custom touch to the front of the car. Windshield wipers are a little short, but who cares? I don't plan on driving this in the rain anyway, so not a problem. Also this side glass system installed really nice. Actually here is a better one. What do you call the mechanism that lowers and lifts the glass? It's much better than the driver's side, so it operates even smoother than the driver side one. Garage is a huge mess. Have to visit the dump site soon to get this garbage out here, and that's about it for today. Bye bye.